Today I'm going to show you my January garden tour just after the two heavy snowfalls that we had about 2 weeks ago. So the date is the 23rd of January 2026 and I think the garden is looking fantastic. All those evergreens that I planted about 2-3 years ago, they're really holding up and providing me with a lot of interest in January in the dead of winter. So this is one of the reasons why I chose so many evergreens. As you can see, I've got some rhodis there and I've got lots and lots of grasses as well. The last snowfall was quite heavy and I did lose a few branches off of some of my bushes, but thankfully I was able to go out around 10 p.m. on that day and I was able to shake off most of the snow from the bushes. Most of the bushes were really like leaning, and if I didn't go out I think I would have lost quite a lot of bushes and branches. So I was quite happy that day that I was just able to go out. I don't know what I was looking for. I was just going to watch the snow or something. I think I was going to cover up something. I was able to save many of my bushes. So I've got lots of divided carex grasses and some boxwoods and cordylines here and there, and this is just providing me with so much interest. As I've already mentioned, it makes the garden still enjoyable for me to go out and have a look at what is going on. I'm still quite enjoying it, and more so looking forward to spring when all the colors will just spring up and make this garden beautiful. So I've done some winter sowing already. I think I'll do a video on the plants that I've planted for this season, but I'm looking more now into some annuals, which I was never thinking about before, just to bring some more color, riot of color some say, to the garden. So if you've got any suggestions on some of the most robust like annual plants that I can grow from seed, I'll quite appreciate, because I really don't know much about annuals. I think I only have one annual in the garden, which is my alyssum, which does really well as it self seeds around the garden. So if you've got any suggestions of what I can try, I was actually trying to do some research, come across some cornflower and what's the other one, snapdragons. So I'm looking into all of these hardy annuals to see if I can try my hand at growing them from seed. This little tree is just so interesting to me. It just reminds me of hair when I look at it. So I love the structure of this salix. It's bare but quite interesting with the shape of the branches. So as I was filming, I came to the back of our garage, and this wonderful scene, the daffodils are coming up. This is a sign of spring, and this is just something that brings a smile and joy. It's just so wonderful to know that spring is on the way.